Okay, so mighty Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent is in discussion globally. Earlier it was South Asia. People were talking about country in the South Asia, Southeastern Asia, Western Asia, South Asia. So India was termed India, Pakistan, Bangladesh was termed as South Asia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bhutan up till Afghanistan. This is nowadays SARC country. SARC country. Its name is SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. These are called South Asian countries. Southeast Asian countries are nowadays called ASEAN Association for the Southeast Asia, something, Southeast, okay, Association of Southeast Asia, something like that. That is ASEAN nation. That is Burma onwards, it goes till Brunei, that is ASEAN. And then this side it is Arabic League. So in Arab League till Egypt. So if I exclude Egypt, then that is called Southwest Asia. That does not include Iran, that is Arab League. But Iran also comes in Southwest Asia. Okay, we are talking about railway network in the Indian subcontinent, in the region that is currently connecting India. The country that are connecting India is Afghanistan. Theoretically, it connects India from the Gilgit-Baltistan region. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Kashi-Kasgar region, Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal, Burma, Bangladesh, and then Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are the countries, Burma, these are the countries, they are connecting India. We have talked about railway in Pakistan, we will talk about railway in Afghanistan also. But first we covered whatever the Britishers has constructed. So railway in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and then Burma and Sri Lanka, these Britishers had constructed earlier. Okay, what about then? Then China acquired Xinjiang province, Kashi Kasgar province, and they renamed it as Xinjiang. And they occupied Tibet. Still, it is Tibet, but there is another name of Tibet in China. So Tibet, Kashi Kasgar, these region that is touching India and comes under Indian subcontinent. Now it is part of China now. Now anyway, China is in mood to build railway line from Lhasa, from Shigatze, that is the railway station in Tibet, that is the last railway station in Tibetan railway, Shigatse. So Shigatse to Kirong, that is around 530 kilometers, and Kirong to Kathmandu, that is 72 kilometers, altogether 600 kilometers, is in pipeline to make railway that will now connect Beijing to Kathmandu directly. Then Pokhara and Lumbini, more or less, it will come to Bihar border. So this is China-Nepal railway. Okay, can we talk little bit about Tibetan railway? There is a railway called Tibetan railway. These are the railway that is constructed post China occupied Tibet. So China occupied Tibet in 1948 time, 1959 time frame, when Tibet completely it became part of China. China occupied Kashi Kashgar in 1948 time frame. China occupied Qinghai province, I believe that was in 1912 time frame. I'm not sure about it. So around 1912 kind of that period, or 1850, something like that, the Qinghai province was occupied by that is full Tibet. Qinghai and Tibet, that is actually Tibet. But Qinghai is little lower region. Qinghai is little lower region. And Tibet, whatever Tibet is higher region. So Qinghai is also called outer Tibet or lower Tibet, where this is inner Tibet or higher Tibet. But that is also Tibet. Anyway, from the Qing dynasty, I believe that came in 15th century. From the Qing dynasty onwards, they tried pushing the Han tribe. Han tribe is the main tribe of mainland China. Han tribe, that is the dense populated China. These are sparse populated. This is Himalaya region. So during the Qing dynasty only, the China Qing dynasty people they started pushing, injecting Han tribe into the Indian subcontinent. So Qinghai right now, I believe Han tribe are more than the Tibetan tribe. In Xinjiang province, Han tribe and the local that is kind of they are called, I forgot the name, the Xinjiang Kasi Kashgar people. They are half half now. The Han tribe, that much they have entered in the Kasi Kashgar region, that is Uyghur. They are called Uyguri people. So Uyguri people and Han people, they are 50-50 now. That much in past 400-500 years, they have pushed Han tribe. Han tribe more they have pushed from the 19 from the 1900 1819 time frame, when the kind of this uh, uh, there is a country right now, it is called People's Republic of China, PRC. There is, I believe, RPC, Republic of China, that is right now in Taiwan. So that is Republic of China or something like that, or ROC, Republic of China. So Republic of China, that was the army rule that came in around fall of Qing dynasty. Since then only 1998, 1918 time frame. Since then only they are pushing the Han tribe into the more or less. And after the PRC came, People Republic of China, that is the communist government that came in China around 1945, post Second World War, 1945 time frame. Since then, pushing the Han tribe into Indian subcontinent, the rate is increased because industrialization is increased in this region. Being a mountainous region, industrialization, industry are more. They have created more industry in this region. Anyway, so we are talking about Tibetan railway. Okay, so there is a place called, I believe, that is called Longzhou. Longzhou. Longzhou is a place that I believe that is the capital of Gansu region. Gansu region is a region in China that is north to Qinghai. From India, it is Tibet. The north is Qinghai. The north is Gansu, and then north is Mongolia, which is in two parts now. Inner Mongolia, that is part of Mongolia, now it is conquered by China, and other part Mongolia still it is a different country. So Tibet, Qinghai, Gansu, and then Mongolia. So now in Gansu region, the capital of Gansu region is Lanzhou. I believe Lanzhou. So Lanzhou is the so till Lanzhou, the Gansu region they had taken long back. So till Lanzhou to Beijing, there is a railway line already available prior to 1945 itself. Beijing to Gansu. Now from Lanzhou to Xining, Xining is the capital of Qinghai province. These are the newly acquired province from the China. So from Xining to Longzhou, Longzhou, that is in Gansu region. So this is Tibet, this is Nepal, this is Tibet, this is Qinghai, this is Gansu, and this is Mongolia. So inside Gansu, the eastern part is Langzhou, that is nearing to the China, and down and west, this is Xining. Xining is capital of Qinghai province. Xining to Langzhou is 230 kilometers. That this 230-kilometer railway line they started building in 1950 time frame only. 1966, I believe, this railway line was ready. Then they started building the railway line from this Xining to Golmud. Golmud is another railway station in the Qinghai province. From till Golmud, they built railway line in some other time frame. From Golmud, they built railway line to Lhasa, that is the capital of Tibet. From Lhasa, they built railway line to Shigatze. Then now Shigatze to Lhasa, Lhasa to Golmud, Golmud to Xining, Xining to Longzhou, and then Longzhou to Beijing. This railway line is ready. I believe it is around 4,800 kilometers something from Lhasa to Beijing. Anyway, we will read it through when this line was ready. Okay, so this is the story of Tibetan Railway. So Tibetan Railway, Longzhou to Xining, that work started in 1952. and completed in 1962. 1966, this railway line was opened and it is 248 kilometers from Langzhou to Xining. Okay, then Xining to Golmud. Xining to Golmud, they built another railway line. Okay, Xining to Golmud, work started in 1958 and work was over in 1984. That is 815 kilometers. So from the Longzhou, around more than 1000 kilometers, 1050 kilometers around, this railway line was ready in 1984. So Golmud to to Longzhou, that railway line was ready by 1984. Now they started Golmud Lhasa project. Lhasa is capital. Lhasa is capital of Tibet. 1,142 kilometers. That is built with many tunnel and bridges. That is very most difficult project and highest altitude railway that is considered. I believe 4,000 meter is the average height. So Golmud to Lhasa, 1,142 kilometers. This work started in 2001 and completed in 2006. So 2006, the rail between Beijing and Lhasa was commuting. So railway network rail was running between Beijing and Lhasa in 2016 itself, 2006 itself. Then they built Lhasa to Shigatze. If this is Lhasa, then west part is Shigatze, and that is 253 kilometers. Shigatze would be above Bhutan, or Sikkim or Nepal. Nepal, Sikkim and Bhutan. Above them, it would be Shigatze, I believe so. And it is east to Mount Everest. So Mount Everest north. So from Lhasa one road, that is National Highway. I believe National Highway. Uh, okay, somewhere I should have written it. So that is some national highway, 300 or something like that. That Lhasa, that there is a national highway from Lhasa, it goes to Kashi Kashgar. So Lhasa, Sigazze, and then it goes to Lhasa. From Lhasa and Lhasa are different. From Lhasa, then it will go to Kailash Mansarovar, and from there it will go through the Aksai Chin region of India, Kashmir, and then it will go to Kashi Kashgar. There also it will take one branch, it will go to Hotan. Hotan means Gostan. Anyway, that is the that is the terminology. So till Sigaze, from Lhasa to Sigaze, they have built railway line, and this railway line was opened in 2014. So the Golmud to Lhasa, that railway line 1,142 kilometers that opened in 2006, and Lhasa to Sigaze, that railway line opened in 2014, that is 258 kilometers. Now from the Xining to Golmud, that railway line Xining to Golmud, that is 815 kilometers that opened in 1984, and then Longzhou to Xining, Gansu region to Golmud to Qinghai region, that railway line opened in 1966. That is 248 kilometers. So by 2016 time frame, 2014 time frame, commuting from Beijing to Shigaze is possible. Train runs at on the Golmud Shigaze. This line Golmud Lhasa and Shigaze. Train runs at average 100 kilometer per hour speed. Otherwise, that side where it is not at very high altitude, train runs at 120 to 140 kilometer per hour average speed. Anyway, this is Tibetan Railway. We will talk about Xinjiang Railway also. All railway line has been constructed post the conquering, post acquiring this Indian territory. Anyway, we will talk about Xinjiang Railway also.